god!
Look at how dirty my scalp is today.
I need to detox my scalp. Hi, I'm Tomoko from Tomokoshima Hair Salon. In this video, I want to talk about the most important things when it comes to coloring your scalp. Because I have also experienced many scalp issues in the past, such as itching, oiliness, dryness, dandruff, and hair loss. So I will show you how to analyze your scalp and detox your scalp today. Check the scalp color. If it's reddish or pinkish, then your scalp has an issue. Usually red or pink scalp is related to sensitive or dryness and itchiness. Check if you have natural oil to protect your scalp by touching the top of your head and rubbing it softly. If you have too much oil, then you need to get rid of it. Squeeze your scalp, roll your scalp, and massage. Check if your scalp is moving well. If it's too tight, then it means that you have a lot of stress and tension and need to be relaxed more. A tight scalp causes slow blood circulation, which can cause hair loss and other problems. This is a microscope to see the scalp so that I can figure out what type of scalp it is. If you cannot find any hair spa salon in your area, you can get this camera on Amazon. So let's see how my scalp is. Oh my god!
Look at how dirty my scalp is today. On the surface, it has a thick layer of oil covering the scalp, and this is built up around the follicles, which slows down the hair growth cycle. Build-up comes from a mixture of old oil, dust, pollution. And here is my baby hair. This is hair loss resulting from stress due to COVID-19.
I started using an anti-hair loss shampoo at the beginning of 2021. This could be my new hair growing back after the hair loss. I will explain hair loss in another video next time. I need to detox my scalp. Since a few days ago, my scalp has been itching because there is so much oil and dirt. I will show you my scalp after cleansing.
Creatine fluid. Apply the Creatine fluid to dry hair and directly to the scalp. Center to back, middle to side, and underneath. The Creatine fluid is clear of build-up, rebalances the scalp, and helps dandruff detachment. It also soothes and calms scalp irritation. Massage for 3 to 5 minutes. Damp your hair, but do not completely wet the hair. Mix the fluid with shampoo and gently massage. Using an electric scalp massage brush is the best way. Lightly rinse the first shampoo off, then apply second shampoo. The shampoo is the best for relaxation and detox. If you have an oily scalp, use Balance Anti-Sebum Shampoo. If you have a dry scalp, use Creatine Anti-Dry Shampoo. But if you are experiencing hair loss, then you can use Rescue Anti-Hair Loss Shampoo. Make sure to rinse off the shampoo completely. If you have leftover shampoo, it can cause itchiness and clogged follicles. Use a balance mask for oily scalp or a Creatine mask for dry scalp. These masks may be directly applied to the scalp so that it can add moisture to your scalp. Use your finger to massage. Press the points to make blood circulation. Watch my previous video of how to get rid of oily hair for a massage demonstration. These massages can help with releasing your stress, soften your scalp, and promote hair growth. After massaging the scalp for 5 minutes, if you have long hair, use your favorite conditioner on the end. Do not apply conditioner to the scalp. This is very important. Rinse off well with cool water. Cool water will help stabilize the effects of the mask and conditioner and keep your scalp calm. I completed my hair spa detox session myself. Let's see how my scalp is now. Wow! I'm so happy with this clean and nice scalp. No more buildup, no more itchiness. The surface of the scalp is so clear. There are no more oils and it is moisturized. Let's compare before and after photos. The color of my scalp is clear white. Now you can see the pores of the follicles. They were covered with buildup before the detox. I wish my scalp is always like this. This means that I would need to use the light shampoo on my scalp and wash 3 to 4 times a week. Always use lukewarm water for the rinse. It's better to change your shampoo every 6 months or by the season because sometimes the scalp and skin can build up tolerance. So I feel like the shampoo doesn't work as great as the first time. I will use an anti-hair loss and vegan shampoo for the winter and switch to an anti-sebum for the summertime. When you have a scalp issue, try to check your scalp and choose the right shampoo and detox with scalp cleanser. Thank you for watching my video. Feel beautiful and see you next time.